value for the life of the Ghanaian. Because we have no value for values. Oh my Ghana, a country where we choose to take away the destiny of our posterity, all in the name of Ghana, because our big men are in someone else's pocket. I'm in Kumes, Ghana, a nation of misplaced priorities, where we dream of a $200 million chamber, whilst the masses rot in hunger. Oh my Ghana, when men without character choose to lead men without character, then a nation is a disaster waiting to happen. Oh my Ghana, this is Ghana. The Ghanaian problem is a character problem. When people are dying, all we think about is how to take a photo. When the masses are drowning, no pity to save them, you rather the video. This is Ghana. You and I be the problem. Why made in Ghana? Just speaking accent is so made in America. Support your own, but excess in parliament of 1-2 China. General assassin. Get pieces of land so costly. So sell a kidney in order to buy a piece of land Asiasi. This is Ghana. Special prosecutor. 2 years in office and total well done is a big but zero. This is Ghana. Get jailed for a petty crime. But the politician looks and says, yes, it doesn't cost a dime. Hey, this is Ghana. Never ending problems. Every rainy season is a full not season. We have talent. Hey, Ghana, a country where time for the masses to stay abroad because in Ghana they are poor, so poor. This is Ghana, not our own rock. Our issues are never solved and not the devil of God.